Coming up in this video, I've got a very simple twist on a kind of rum old fashioned using Dead Man's Fingers coffee flavoured rum. So we're kind of going for a chocolate and coffee old fashioned. Stay tuned. Hey drinks fans, I am Steve the barman and I'm hoping these videos help you drink, serve and enjoy your favourite drinks. Right, Dead Man's Fingers Coffee Rum. This is pretty much my go-to serve for this rum. It's absolutely amazing. Kind of a chocolate and coffee old fashioned. I'm going to stir it down in my mixing glass. I'm going to serve it up in my lovely rocks glass. Thank you very much to Drink Stuff for sending that to me. I think that's called a Diablo rocks glass. Something like that. Right, simple one this. So I want 50ml double bubble of your coffee flavoured rum. And this really is a rum flavoured coffee. It's got a different taste to it, to Kahlua and things like that. It's like proper rum with coffee in there. So absolutely delicious. Right, 50ml double bubble. Next ingredient you want is some white cacao whites or cacao blanc. Whatever you want to call it, and this is where my chocolate comes from, my flavour. So I want 15ml of cacao. There we go. You could use cacao brown if you wanted to. I just wanted to sort of keep it that colour. So we've got 15ml there. Next ingredient is some sugar. I just want 10ml of sugar, just there. And then, as always, traditionally with old fashions, rum fashions, you've got bitters in there. I did think about using chocolate bitters in this, but actually I'm going two different sorts. I'm going first off Angostura orange bitters, and I'm going 2 dashes, 1, 2, and then the next bitters I'm just going normal Angostura bitters. So I'm going 2 dashes of normal, 1, 2. There we go, lovely jubbly. Right, just need to ice that down. So we start off with 4 ice cubes. There's no point putting too much ice in there to start off with because it's all about the dilution. So I'm just going to stir this down. And while I'm doing this, a couple of things. Obviously, I don't name my cocktails because I leave that down to you guys because I'm useless at naming cocktails. Yeah, I've called this a chocolate and coffee old fashioned, but let's come up with something a bit better using the whole Dead Man's Fingers thing. Also, big shout out to my new Patreons. We've got Scott and we've got Mark. Thank you very much for your love. And also, if you like these videos, give me a thumbs up. And if you don't want to miss any of my future content, hit that subscribe, ring that bell, and you won't miss any of my future videos. Right, add a few more ice cubes. Now, I've been stirring that down for a couple of minutes. That should be about right. Oh, I love that. It's amazing. Right, just need to ice up our rocks glass. You could use that ice if you want, but I'm just going fresh ice. And then I just need to strain that into my glass. Perfect. Then garnish, I just think this works well as a garnish. I'm just going as normal, kind of my dehydrated orange. I think that works, an absolute treat. You can use a sip straw if you want. But there we have it. That is for now, my chocolate and coffee old fashioned. Come up with your names, let me know below. And if you want to see more sort of rum coffee cocktails, then popping up on screen just about now will be my other playlists, my Dead Man's Fingers playlists. Plus there's also vodka and gin playlists and all that kind of stuff. But there we have it. Cheers.